What's up, y'all? Xavier back again with another video, and today I'm here. What am I going to be talking about? I'm here to do a food review, but let me tell y'all about tonight. Man, the Astros barely dodged a bullet against the Rangers tonight after they lost 2 games in a row. But I'm not going to talk about the Astros Rangers game until Monday. Make that tomorrow since today is already Sunday. I'm going to be doing a review on the Dairy Queen Sour Patch Blizzard. As you can see, I still haven't finished this yet, so this is going to be my second time reviewing food, or third time reviewing it on camera. And then I rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, and I give it a grade. I never heard of the Sour Patch Blizzard from Dairy Queen until yesterday. I looked on the menu and I was like, wait a minute, they have a Sour Patch Blizzard? Because normally, whenever I get a Blizzard from Dairy Queen, I normally get the Butterfinger Blizzard or even the Oreos Blizzard. But I decided to get the Sour Patch Blizzard. So I'm going to eat this, finish the rest of this. I'm glad it's not frozen solid, because I ate half of it yesterday. And then I'm going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 10 and give it a grade. And I hope you guys enjoyed my last food review at Serge Dragon's house. We did a review on the hazelnut spread, the Mexican jalapeno, and the English toffee M&Ms. And I should definitely go back and watch that food review. But anyway, let's go ahead and finish the rest of this Sour Patch Blizzard. But I got something to spice things up a little bit. I'm going to be adding this Welsh mixed fruit snack. It makes it even better. Oh, hell yeah. Alright, we got our Sour Patch Blizzard with some Welsh fruit snacks. Now we give it a taste. Oh yeah, this is the shit. Let me get another bite. Mmm. Feels like I'm actually eating the Sour Patch without the Blizzard. Mmm. I'm actually enjoying this. Man. I think I died and went to heaven. Man. Yeah, so I actually like this Sour Patch Blizzard. It's actually brand new, and it's a limited time at Dairy Queen. So you better get this or else it's going to be gone. So it's a good Blizzard with Sour Patch, and I decided to mix it with this Welch's Mixed Fruit Snacks. So, Dairy Queen Sour Patch Blizzard, I give this a 9.5, and the grade that I'm going to give this is A. You have not tried this, it's the Dairy Queen Sour Patch Blizzard. You better try this. This is the shit. It's definitely the shit. I think they're serving this all summer long, so you better go to Dairy Queen and buy the Sour Patch Blizzard. So, that's going to wrap up another edition of one of my food reviews. Me reviewing the Sour Patch Blizzard from Dairy Queen. Let me know what you guys think about the Sour Patch Blizzard from Dairy Queen. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Hit subscribe if you like the content. Click on the notification bell for the next video. And I'll catch you later on today talking about National Video Game Day, when I thought it was on September 12th, but they changed it this year to July 8th. Don't follow your dreams, chase them. Peace.